Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Figma how to make a button. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To make a button in Figma, first what you need to do is just simply head over, open up your browser, then on the search bar type in figma.com. Then once the workstation of the Figma loads, what you need to do here is you'll be seeing the toolbar. Then in order to create a button, what you need to do is select the rectangle tool right here or simply select R to select it. Then all you gotta do is simply drag how much you want to create the button, and then once dragged, all you gotta do is zoom in and you'll be seeing this small radius tool or pointer. You can simply drag it down to remove or round off the edges. You can add text to the button by simply tapping on or selecting the text tool from the toolbar or simply pressing T. Then once that's done, all you gotta do is enter in a text like login, and once that's done, simply drag it to the bottom, and hence you have created a button on the feed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was useful to you, leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have. See you soon on the next one.